Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I want to try something that I haven't done before, and I actually watched another artist do this, and I will link that artist and the channel so that you can go and have a look how she does it. But it looked pretty simple, really, I suppose. I don't know if this is going to work or not. But I've got a stencil here and I've just stuck it onto this canvas. And I bought a whole bunch of these stencils off Amazon. And yeah, now I'm new to stencils, as you know, but anyway. And then I've just got this regular gloss. Okay, and I've just put some of that gloss down here on this piece of plastic. I'm going to use this palette knife and I'm just going to put this on. Okay, so now we don't want it to be very neat. We don't want it to be very we want it to be quite textured, because we are aiming at creating texture art here. So it doesn't need to be perfect, it doesn't need to be straight or level in any way. So yeah, we just put in it like that. And like I said, we don't want it to be uniform or level, or, you know, it needs to have some texture to it. So I think like that, it should be all right. It's quite thick in places, isn't it? Okay, right. Then I'm just going to take the stencil off. Okay, that is pretty cool. That is very textured. That's what I was looking for. So that is really, really cool. Look at that. Okay, so now all we do, I've got two colors here. I've got a deep purple and I've got a light green. And I just want to get, if I can find, two paintbrushes. Hold on now. So there's one, there's one. They will work. Got a lot of stuff in here, don't I? Oh, I've just put that in there. Anyway, throw it away. Right. Right, so now all we do is we put just a dollop of that in there and a dollop of this in here, and then we add lots of water and lots of water. Okay, and we mix this up now. Okay, so I'm going to start with the green. Bring my canvas in. You can see that. So I'm going to start with the green, and I'm literally just going to be putting paint onto the canvas like that. Okay, and then I will be putting some of the purple down too. And it's going to mix, and it's going to, you know, it's fine. Now what happens is the paint is going to run off of the higher points. So you're going to see texture, you're going to see things like that. I don't know if this paint is right because it just seems to be mixing. Anyway, maybe I don't have enough paint in it. Right. Yeah, maybe I should put more paint into the mix. Let's try that. Okay, and a little bit more of the green. Okay, and then she sprayed it with water, but mine is very watery. Okay. Okay, well, I don't know, but I do have a couple. Oh, for goodness sake, of course. It's still wet, of course. Never mind. Just adds, like I said, just adds to it all. So I can just break that purple up like that, like that. Okay, there seems to be a lot of something on there, so I don't know if this is really right or not. To me, this paint just doesn't seem to be thick enough. Right, I'm going to add more paint for the last time now, but mix it properly. Okay, that looks better. That looks much better. So let me add some more green into here. Okay, and now a little bit of a spray over that. Okay, I'm leaving this now to dry. I don't know, like I said, if it is right or not, but we're going to see what this looks like tomorrow. Might as well just cover these edges with something. Sort of just like that. We can always go back and paint the sides properly when it's all dry. Okay, so I'm going to leave that and we'll see if it's dry tomorrow or not.